Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a look at our 2018 Subaru Impreza Convenience with the 2-liter 4-cylinder all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Taking a look at the drive door panel, you just nice soft touch leather armrest, as well as your automatic windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as a cup holder and door panel with a little bit of storage. Here's the seat with a nice black cloth. As we get into the Subaru, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your traction control settings, as well as your dimmer switch for your dome lighting. As we turn the vehicle on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your multimedia controls with your voice recognition, answer, and hang up, as well as on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control settings. As you can see, this vehicle only has 88,000 kilometers on it. Taking a look at the infotainment, as you can see, the apps, you have your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as your FM, AM, Bluetooth, USB, CD, audio stations through there. You have a little screen up here to show you a little bit of info, which is all controlled through the steering wheel. You get your backup camera with guidance lines that do move, as well as your buttons for your multimedia controls down here. You have a nice cold air conditioning, as well as a little storage spot with a 12-volt down there. You do have your drive and low mode, as well as we enter the center console. This is where we're going to find your USB, auxiliary, and another 12-volt there. At the rim, you get your 16-inch Subaru wheel cover with your steel rim on your Goodyear snow tires there. There are tire tread left remaining. We're working our way to the back of the Subaru Impreza. You can open up the rear hatch. You do have a lot of storage space back here, and the seats do fold down flat in a 60-40 split. Under here, you do have a little bit of storage, as well as under here, you get your spare tire. Taking a look at the rear door panel, you get your nice soft touch leather as well as your window controls and your hand controls, and a cup holder and a little bit of storage in the door panel. You get a ton of legroom in the back of the Impreza. To pull the seats down flat, you can pull this lever up, pull the seats down, as well as you do have nice lots of legroom with your rear pockets here for a little bit extra storage in the back. Thank you for watching this quick overview of our 2018 Subaru Impreza Convenience. If you do have any more questions about this Subaru Impreza, please visit parkmazda.ca. That'll help you find out all the information about this Impreza, as well as book this vehicle for a test drive. With a qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.